Hello, welcome, and this is unboxing our 4G solar PTZ. I just want to show you everything that is inside. Can you see? This is the solar panel. All right, this solar panel connects straight to the camera. I'm going to show you how. All right, now this is the hanger that holds the solar panel. Can you see? You mount this to the wall and this solar panel sits on it. Okay, now this is the camera. This is the camera itself. Can you see? It's a 4G camera. All right, this is the camera. It rotates 360 degrees. Can you see? It has two lenses. All right, the top lens is fixed, and this lens, other one, also rotates 90 degrees, and it rotates 360. All right, this one too can be adjusted to look down. It can be adjusted to look up. This is the antenna to the camera. Can you see? All right, this is the antenna to the camera. All right, this is the antenna, and now this is siren. This is the siren. All right, and now you can also position the camera to whichever part you want. All right, you can turn it because this is adjustable. All right, this is adjustable. All right, so that is introducing our solar 4G PTZ. All right, this is the manual, as you can see. All right, these are the fitting screws. All right, that's it. So that is unboxing our 4G solar PTZ. All right, now I'm going to show you some of the features of the camera. All right, now this camera uses SIM card. It has a slot for SIM card. It also has a slot for SD card. Okay, now what it means is that you don't need a Wi-Fi. All you just need is get a SIM card and put the SIM card in it. Now the SD card also allows you to record locally on the camera. Okay, now like I said, this is a fixed lens. All right, can you see? It has infrared light. Now this guy rotates. Now something to share with you. All right, can you see the mic, the speaker? So this speaker allows whoever is close to the camera to hear anything you are saying from any part of the world. All right, and whatever you are saying from any part of the world also comes out from here, and whatever the person that is close to this camera is saying, all right, you will also be able to hear through this. Okay, all right, can you see? That is the infrared, right? That is infrared. This is a sensor. This is a sensor that alerts the camera that I have seen someone, and it allows you to get the notification. All right, this plus is the on and off button. All right, now when you get this camera, you can also charge the camera with your Type-C charger just to boost the battery. The batteries are located here. Okay, now this camera, because of the light, it gives you very clear image in the night. All right, so it is a day and night camera. All right, I also told you that it's a two-way audio. I also told you that this sensor allows you to get notification anywhere you are in the world. All right, now this is also a siren notification, just to let you know that there's an emergency. So these are some of the features. Now from your mobile phone, you can rotate this from your mobile phone. All right, you don't need to be with the camera. You can rotate. This can also be set to auto patrol when it sees anybody around. These are some of the features of the camera that I'm going to be sharing with you. If you have any specific need, let us know, and we'll be really happy to answer your question. Let's not forget, any camera you buy with us comes with a free 64 gig SD card. Okay, and if you're getting 2 cameras, you get 2 SD cards. If you're getting 4, you get 4 free SD card. So this is a special gift from us. Okay, thank you, and we hope to get your order soon. Thank you.